Today on the table, I've got myself a Dell Inspiron 5000. Now, this particular one has a broken touch panel, as you can kind of see in the top corner. Now, to get this apart, it's relatively easy. You should be able to use a flat pry tool and go between the plastic trim at the top, as you can see here, and the black trim on the touch panel. So what you're better off doing is just slowly prying it around the edges. And with enough force, you should be able to get the screen to lift up. You should be able to get your hand in there and pop it just like that. Two things you will need to be careful of. One is disconnecting the flex connector, which goes down the bottom to the display. As with most things as well, it's always best to compare the parts to make sure you are going to install the correct part. And with here, you need to disconnect the touch panel, or the controller for it, I believe it is. So disconnect that. I'll lift up the tape, then lift up the switch that holds the cable in. Should be able to flick it up almost with a nail as well. And sorry I don't have the footage for the camera up the top there. Once that's disconnected, you should be able to gently pull the cord. That should lift up. Just like that. Now remove the old screen out of the way. Put the new screen in place. And with this, I did find that it did clip in down the bottom first. So we'll reroute the cables, connect them up. A little bit of zoomed in footage to hopefully make it a bit easier to see what I'm doing. Once you've successfully reconnected the front-facing camera, the various other connectors, you should be able to just connect it in or clip it in via the bottom, and then push it up. And it should fit in relatively easily without too much pressure. As you can see, just clipping it in. It does stick out a little bit, but that is expected. And then from there, switch it on, give it a test, and go from there. And hopefully you've successfully replaced the Dell Inspiron LCD. Catch you later.